Hi, I'm Tamala Reeves, Program Director of College Studies here at Jefferson College. Today I will be demonstrating how to complete the College Blueprint assignment for your COL 136 class. Once you have entered your course in Canvas, check on Modules and scroll down to locate the assignment. Once you have found the assignment, you will need to download it to your computer. Choose Enable Editing. Then in your top left corner, choose File, Save As, and locate where you would like to save the form. Once you have saved the form to your computer, close the form in Canvas and open the form you have saved on your desktop or on your computer. Typing on the form in Canvas will not save your work, so be sure you type only on your saved form. Once you have opened your saved form, you can begin typing in your name and date and your career goals. For the educational goals section, you will need to determine the degree or degrees you will need to complete to begin working on that career. To begin, you will need to click and choose and open the Occupational Outlook Handbook. On this website, you will find a list of occupation groups. Choose the group that is related to your career choice. Once you choose an occupation, you will find several careers listed. They are all listed in alphabetical order. They give a job summary, entry-level education, and median pay. For the section of the College Blueprint, you need to find the entry-level education needed to complete that section on your form. Once you have determined your educational goals, you will need to type the degree or certificate that you plan to earn here at Jefferson College and your expected date of completion. If you're planning to transfer to a four-year college or university, you need to list up to 3 possible four-year institutions that you may want to transfer to, and list the major you intend to pursue there at that institution. If you are not transferring on, then you're to list 3 possible employers that you could work for when you finish your education, and list the starting salary you would expect to earn. Once you have those sections completed, the last section of the assignment will require you to map out all of the classes you will need to earn that degree. So you will need to find your degree plan here at Jefferson College. So on the Jeffco website, under the Academics tab, you will find Degree Certificate Plans. By clicking there, it will bring you to this web page that lists all of our degrees and certificates offered here at Jefferson College. The Associate of Arts degree, the AA degree, is designed to transfer on to that other college or university. The AAT is for education majors. The Associate of Fine Arts is for transfer for a fine arts degree. Associate of Science is designed for engineering students. And then we have the Associate of Applied Science degrees that are all listed down below. Many of these will not transfer, and that once you enter one of these programs, we expect you to finish it. You cannot transfer those credits to another institution. Since many students here at Jeffco are here to earn their Gen Ed degree to transfer, you're looking at Associate of Arts degree. So you would want to click on the year that you enter Jefferson College and choose your degree plan. In a degree plan, it will list all of the courses that you will need to take to earn this degree. For an Associate of Arts degree, you need to earn 62 credit hours, and these are divided into different categories. We have communications, humanities, mathematics, natural sciences, science and behavioral sciences, general education, and so forth. In each of these sections, there's a required number of hours. For communications, you will need 6 hours of written communication, 3 hours of oral, for a total of 9 hours. You'll need to take English 101, 102, and have a choice between Communications 100 or 110. In the humanities section, these are all of the courses offered here at Jeffco that would fulfill that portion of this degree plan. So you need at least 9 hours, and most of these courses that here are offered are 3 credit hour courses, and you can need at least 2 different areas. So you could take 2 foreign language, but then you would need the 3rd class from a different area. So as you can see, as you go down, how many credit hours are needed in each section to meet that requirement of 62. If you are looking to earn an Associate of Applied Science, such as the automotive degree, you will see this degree plan looks a little different. With this degree, you have the option to earn a certificate or a degree. Certificate, the student is only taking these courses checked in this column to begin working in that field. For the degree option, you're completing 74 to 79 credit hours and will need to take the Gen Ed courses that are listed below. Here you can see for this course, or for this degree, you would only need 3 hours of communications and only 3 hours of humanities. So each degree plan is different. If you are looking at the nursing degree, you will need to complete your LPN certificate before entering in the RN program. Once you have found your degree plan, you will also need the course catalog for this assignment. So scroll down under Academics to College Catalog. View the catalog. The first section of this book gives lots of information about the college, but if you'll scroll down to the table of contents, you will find on page 123 course descriptions. This half of the book lists all of the courses offered here at Jefferson College. They're all in alphabetical order. It gives you the course number, the course title, and how many credits that class is worth. It will also give you the prerequisites. All of this information you will need for your college blueprint assignment. Now that you have these pieces, you will need to go back to your assignment. If you have dual credit or transfer credits, you would need to type those and enter that information in the first box. If you do not, scroll down and enter in this semester that you begin taking courses and label each box the semester, be it fall 2021, next semester would be spring 2022, and so forth. Again, you will need the course number, which you can find in the course catalog. So for this class, we're taking COL 136. The course title is Mastering the College Experience. There are no prereqs for this class, and it is a 3-credit-hour course. All of that information can be found in that college catalog. The degree requirement met column is what you will need your degree plan for. And in the degree plan, you need to tell me what section of the degree plan does that class fulfill. So this class fulfills the first year experience section of your degree plan. If you're taking an English class, 101, it is fulfilling the communication section of your degree plan. So the degree requirement met column is not a yes or no column. It is what section of your degree plan does that class fulfill? Because we want to see at the end of the assignment that you have taken all of the humanities credits, communication credits that are needed for that degree. So you will go down your degree plan listing in each semester box the courses that you would take each semester till you fulfill your degree. Again, this is your assignment. You get to choose what classes you want to take. If you want to take a math and science class in the same semester, or if you do not, you pick what courses you would want to take. Typically, you would take 15 credit hours a semester, plus some credits in a summer to be able to graduate in 2 years. Once you have completed the rough draft, you would submit this to your instructor, who will sign off on your rough draft. At that point, you would meet with an advisor to go over your plan to make sure you're not missing any classes. If you have any questions about this assignment, be sure to discuss it with your instructor. Thank you.